So welcome back YouTube to another unboxing video. So today we have the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and it wasn't even meant to be released until the 26th of August. We've had it a week early, so let's get into it. So here's the front of the box, as you can see. And here will be your charger and documentation. Just give me a second and I will get that out. So in this little strip packet here, we have your quick start guides and your wireless charger. Here we have the sports band, 20mm. Here we have the main watch itself. Feels really light, and as you can see you have all your sensors on the back. And on this year's model as well, they've got rid of the mechanical bezel, and now you just kind of rub your finger around the rim to scroll with the bezel. You know, it's got some nice buttons, got a nice feel to it, aluminium. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you stay tuned, I'll do a review of actually using this thing over the course of the next week or so. And yeah, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.